Hey guys, today I'm going to be putting together a gift hamper for Mother's Day. I needed a last minute gift idea because I just ran out of time to go shopping these last few weeks. I had wanted to buy gourmet items from all the small food businesses around where I live, but I'll have to save that one for another day. Luckily though, everything in this video is easily accessible from all the major supermarkets like Coles, Woolies, Aldi and Big W. I've previously bought a couple of gift hampers online. One was filled with various tropical fruits, and there was another one that had different kinds of alcohol, if I remember correctly. And since it can be sent directly to the recipient, it makes it really convenient, and it's usually free shipping too. But I've never really considered before doing it myself, or if it was more cost effective that way. I'll show you the price comparisons a bit later on in the video between the one that I made and the ones that are available online. I definitely took inspiration from them, but the benefit of making your own is the ability to choose exactly what goes in the hamper. What you put in the gift basket just depends on who you're making it for. My mum's not that into sweet things, so I tried to keep the one that I made more savory. But it would also work for someone that you don't know that well because there's a variety of things in there to suit almost everybody. So I'm starting with this basket that I bought from Big W. It was $20, and it's not necessary to spend that much on the basket, but I thought, wouldn't it be good if, my mum didn't have to throw the box away? This is actually a really nice basket. I believe it's a knockoff of a designer. Good little handles here, so you can carry it, which is cool. First things first, I'm going to fill the basket so then we can start adding all the goodies in there. So now I will grab the things that I bought to add to it. The first thing I've got is some crackers. These are caramelized onion, and I did get some actual caramelized onion in a jar, so that's why I picked this flavor. They're a wheat cracker. I think I just got these from Coles. There's actually quite a few things from Coles. And these are just some crackers, just some plain crackers, just lavish bites. It looks like they have pepper flavor to them as well. Also pistachio nuts from the Scoop and Weigh section. You know, the place where you go and there's like all the crackers and nuts. They're all in containers along the wall, and you just scoop out as much as you want. And I also bought this jar so I could put the nuts into the jar. Again, it's just something that she can keep instead of throwing away. Next, got these two chocolates from Lindt. They're the 85% cocoa and the ones with just a bit of sea salt. This stuff, I'm not quite sure like what it is. Quince paste? I feel like I've seen it in hampers or with crackers and maybe cheese. There's these chocolate-coated macadamias with coffee flavor, and these just came from Aldi. This Beerenberg caramelized onion, kind of like a relish, I think. You just put it on sandwiches and have it with cheese and barbecue meats, pickles, baby cucumbers. There's nothing else to say about that. Got the 200 ml bottle of Moe. I had it sitting in the fridge already, but I did look it up and I think it's about like $30 or $35 maybe for one of these. Which, I mean, you could buy a whole bottle of wine for that much. Just something not as, bougie as Moe, and spend like half the price. And got some olives, pitted olives, Kalamata. And lastly, the olive tapenade. I've never had this one before. I'm hoping that it's okay when it comes in a jar. I've normally had them fresh, but can't always have fresh food in a gift hamper. So now I just want to place everything in the basket, and I've just changed the camera angle so you can see what's going on. Probably going to start with the biggest items to put up the back. Just try to move that around so you can see a little better. I think that's probably pretty good. It's like I could maybe like mess around with it a little bit. Just kind of like the look of those crackers better. You might want to put them at the front. Same with this caramelized onion. I think that could maybe just looks like a little more gourmet or something. So that's what we've got. We've got the crackers at the back, the Lindt chocolate and the macadamias, the Moe. And then we've got the jars here and the pistachios and the quince paste there. Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with that. So now I just need to wrap it. I've got this clear sheet of plastic wrap. It's 90 centimeters by 100 centimeters. And this gold ribbon. First, I might just move this. And I want to place the basket in the center. I might have to turn it on an angle. That's better. I just want to wrap a bit of ribbon around that. Might do like a 50 centimeter. And then the sides here. Put another piece of the ribbon around it. It's going and maybe make the ribbon more curly. I think I should put more of the ribbon on there. So yeah, that's the basket wrapped. It's looking good, I like it. What do you guys think? So this cost about $100, including the gift wrapping and everything. And I had a quick look online to compare the prices of gift hampers that had similar products to the one that I made. So you can see the price ranges here as I scroll along. 150, 190. This one from the Hamper Emporium for $150. Free delivery in Australia. Looking in the contents, it's also got some nuts and olives, semi-dried tomatoes, tapenade, some crackers, and also some quince paste, a bottle of moe, some olive oil. This one from Byron Bay Gifts. It's also got a bottle of moe, got some cookies and some nuts, some shortbread, and some almonds with chocolate. And this is another one from First Class Hampers. So inside this one, got a bottle of moe, some crackers and chips, some sweet things here, popcorn and honey glazed nuts, some candy, chocolate raspberries look nice. It's a bit more sweet stuff than I think my mum would like, but it's got a pretty decent selection there. So in these ones, the wine bottles were generally 700 ml, but mine also had some extra items that they didn't have. So with that considered, it does seem more cost effective to make your own. But if you have the luxury to spend another $50 or so, I still think it's well worth it just to buy one. I'll definitely be making another one of these in future, and I might try to make the next one with a few more gourmet items. I have a few ideas already of things that I'd like to add. So if you're interested, when that's done, I'll post a link on the screen and also in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you have a great night or a day wherever you are. Bye.